Hey guys, thought I'd make a more in-depth video on how I'm going to be trading FTM. So what I'm going to be doing is essentially longing every local retracement, looking for channels to form, etc. So we've been in this descending channel. The last long I took on FTM was on this retracement, and I think that's my last post about it in the Discord, is I also took a long on FTM here. This level ended up holding. We came a little deeper into the golden pocket. We've rallied from there. So yeah, I have that core position. But if we are indeed going to be in an uptrend, I want to be adding to my position on retracements. So let's take this for example. We got this initial impulse, and then we just formed an ascending channel with really no major retracements. We never really took a previous low, and we just grinded up until we reached our final target. And so the problem is in an uptrend, if you're only waiting for major retracements, you might just never get a position. And so what I can do is trade each position locally. So if I add, I can take profits locally, and then I can add and take profits locally, and just keep adding and taking profits until the trend is broken. We can look at some different examples of how FTM has rallied off this channel. In this example, this is the 4-hour chart. Essentially went grinded straight up with no major retracements. There were minor retracements in here, obviously. And we had a 0.5 retracement here. And then really just put in an impulse with no major retracements. This might have been a 382, a little bit through the 382. So you only had a couple opportunities to add here. You had way more to add here, but none of them were on major retracements. You would have had to recognize this ascending channel. Then obviously this uptrend, no major retracements until here, got a minor retracement compared to the move, and even here. So FTM, when it is in an uptrend, does like to move without opportunities for major retracements, which is why I'm going to be looking to long minor retracements. And some of those positions might get stopped out, even if we're in an uptrend. Some of them will carry on. But I'm just looking essentially at FTM as a series of trades here. Maybe I'll take 8 trades by the time, if price reaches the top of this channel. But on all those positions, my risk reward is quite good, right? Because I'm trading it to the top of this channel. So I'm just going to continually add on any significant retracements, because this move is happening on heavy volume, heavy open interest increase. Those are all bullish signs. We have some bearish or bullish CVD divergences as price is coming down. You still need to wait for some signs of strength. So let's just say we come into these minor, this is pulled from this pivot low, this minor 382, and this ascending channel idea. If you're seeing some support there, for me, I'm going to be interested in a long. If we just cut through it, well, I'll wait for lower. And even if I get a bounce here and then get stopped out, I'm still going to be interested in longing again. The odds that I don't get a take profit 1 on these positions is pretty low. So, I'm just approaching each one as a separate trade. If there starts to be some major bearish signs, then I'll revisit the strategy. But that's all I'll be approaching it. Basically just going to be looking for longs. Similar to on this downtrend, how we really didn't get any major. I took this short on FTM, which was this descending channel, this golden pocket. And I had some shorts from here. This was also a descending channel and a golden pocket. So we had that twice. I had that Elliott wave count. And obviously we broke down my targets even further. It came down to 25 cents. But anyways, that's how I'm approaching it. I hope that makes sense. You still have to be very careful because you can't just be putting your stops way down here, assuming we won't come back lower. We certainly can. But we have a nice bullish move here. There might be an opportunity to start compounding a position. All right, enjoy your weekend, guys.